My name is Anjum Said. Today I talk about 7 business idea to start a digital marketing. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let us start. Number one, Facebook expert. By learning and developing around social media, it's a great idea to earn money because today marketing is now changing to our online marketing, and Facebook is a very crucial play a very crucial role. So if you become a social media expert, means Facebook expert, you earn very good amount of money. Many marketing agency can hire you, or you also make your own marketing agency on your Facebook ads. The basically the more you learn in this field and the more you become an expert, the more chances you make more money. By doing this, you also get a very high value from your clients, and they give you and stick with you. There is also a referral process, mean that if you get satisfied your client, the client every month is pay for your ad and for your service, so you do not need to find every time new clients for aid. The other way to collect a lead and sell to the company, what this mean that if you are a good dev marketing agency, what will you do that a specific field or niche, you go to outside and run ad your for specific niche and you get a lead. For example, if I am a real estate marketing agency, I target a real estate and get a lead from them, and I go to a real estate and say that I have a 1500 leads and I sell to you, and you basically give them a client. By giving them a client, they become happy and they also give you a money for your leads and also become your customer, because they know that you generally generate a leads and they give you so you become also they become also your clients. Second was the content writing. Content writing is a very high paid job because without content their marketing is not possible. And finding a good content writer is very hard today. If you have a passion about writing and you write a novel or you write essay in your university or college age, so it is a very best opportunity for you to go to become expert in content writing. Basically content writing is to write to sell copy, to sell the customer, write a way that customer read interesting and they take action. Content writing also use on ads. You see the ads in Google and Facebook. They have a very catchy line. This is a content writing. It also, if you are content writer, you also make a publishing, mean that you also write your ebooks. They sell, make also money from it. You also write for a particular agency, and you also become a freelancer. There are many options you have, and you can do a good content writing and you earn very good amount of money. Third one is consulting. If you are their marketer and you expert in particular field, what happens is that you know about field any better than anybody else. So what happens that if you are expert in your field, people come to you, take advice from you, what should they do, what their pitfall are, what they mistake avoid, and this become a very nowadays consulting is growing industry also. And consulting, many people refer to the marketing consulting. So the advice giving, so sometime many big company are going to big top under and guru, and they ask from them advice. Another way is you make your own presence, like if you are become in your particular niche, means for example if you are real estate expert and you become an expert and you know all aspect of real estate and problems and solve it. You also build online courses, and many people are already building online courses in different field and they make a very good amount of money. So consulting is the best option. For this e-commerce, everybody know that e-commerce is not a hot field. Many people are going to trying a e-commerce, and e-commerce build a very big opportunity. It's not you start your own business on e-commerce, you also relate to a e-commerce. I mean that if you have any physical product now, you can sell it to your store, make online digital marketing. If you do not have a store, what you should do that somebody have a store. So if they have a only physical presence, mean they have no website, no Facebook, no any other medium they use. So you give them offer that you can also become a partner with them, and you can uh, take area of digital side, and he work on a physical side, so you also make money on that. If you become a e-commerce expert, many big companies are approaching to you, because the e-commerce, the branding is the most important thing, and selling a product is also very efficient, and people find this type of people, they going to whose they have a e-commerce experience. Video animation without editing animation, social media is dead. All the Facebook said that they convert their platform 80% now videos, or many research are conducting and show us that people now like 80% video as compared to reading books or reading materials. Video are also easy to interrupt people impression. If you are know that if you are using a Facebook, or you are using any social media account, you see that you have a ability, they have a ability to stop what you are doing and see watching their videos. So video editing animation is also a good niche for you if you start your career, or you start also your own video editing agency. Blogging, the blog you see and read, it is called a blogging or bloggers. Basically blogger, what to do, they have a write many articles on particular field, or particular keyword, or particular niche. So what happened that after some time their blogging become into a SEO rank. When the blog become into a SEO rank, people are rating this a very best and organic way to get a traffic, and many people like it. Blogger earn money by written some as blog also. So what means that if you are blogger and many company approach to you and say that for example, you have they have a smartphone, or they are launching a new product, what they said to you, that please write pro and cons or benefit about this is smartphone. This is another way is that if you are a very successful blog on your presence and their site, what you can do, you write on your own review about products, and by review about product, many people buy your links. When they get you from your links, you get a commission from a product. So blogging is also another great way to make money. Seven is Instagram. Instagram is a hot field now. Many young people are joining Instagram and using Instagram. Many people build their communities. How do you earn money from Instagram? By creating your own creative community. Means that if you are creative artist, or you want to become any kind of celebrity, you go to Instagram. By daily work, you make your posts engagement. The more people engage you, like you, share your videos, you feed in stories, the more following you get, after that you get a following. Many companies approach to you, ask about do you sell our product, and what happens when you sell a good amount of their product, they give you a very big commission. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, or if any question about related to their marketing, ask me comment below. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.